In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily export your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online. This process is incredibly useful if you need a backup, want to share your account setup with someone else, or simply need to keep a record outside of QuickBooks. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. So go ahead and open your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, or whichever one you use regularly, and type in quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're on the site, log in with your account credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your QuickBooks account. Now let's move on to finding the chart of accounts. Take a look at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and you'll notice a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to various settings and tools. Click on it, and you'll see a menu drop down. Under the category labeled Your Company, you'll find the Chart of Accounts option. Select this, and you'll be taken directly to the Chart of Accounts page. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, it's time to export our data. Look around for the Batch Actions drop-down, or depending on your version, the gear icon on the list page. This menu will allow you to perform different actions related to your accounts. Click on it, and you'll see the option to export to Excel. Selecting this option will download your entire chart of accounts as an Excel file with a .xlsx extension. It's that simple. Your file should download automatically, and you'll see it in your browser's downloads area or your default downloads folder. With your file now downloaded, the next step is to open that Excel file. You can use any spreadsheet program you're comfortable with, whether it's Excel itself, Google Sheets, or another compatible application. Open the file up to review your exported data. This is a great time to double check all your accounts, ensuring that everything looks as it should. If you need to make any changes, feel free to do so now in your spreadsheet program of choice. Finally, don't forget to save your file once you finish reviewing or editing it. You might want to give it a meaningful name and store it in a safe location where you can easily access it in the future. Having your chart of accounts saved externally can be incredibly handy for reference, or if you need to migrate data at any point. And there you have it. You've successfully exported and saved your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process is a great way to have all your financial setups at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to tune in for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.